So, guys, welcome to this video. It is 7:57 on July 6th. Okay, I made a video earlier today showing you guys that I lost during the New York session. If you didn't see that video, I took two trades. I don't know what happened to my other trade. But as you see, this was one losing trade, and then I took one right here. Once we inverse this gap, where was it? Nope, it was right there. We inverse this gap. Let me show you guys where the gap was right here. Oh, we inverse that gap right there, right? Nope. So my entry was right here. Bam. And I had my stop. Where was it? We're on the 5 minute. So it's not going to show the same. But when we inverse that gap, you see that purple candle right there came and took me out immediately. All right. I moved some of the things, my liquidity levels around for Asia. But I also took this trade right here, and it took me out as well. I don't think that's in the right spot. I think it was like this, because it barely took me out, but it took me out. It was something like that. I was targeting the lows right here. Uh, Boom. To try to get my money back on the loss that I had just taken right there. So I took two trades and they both stopped me out. Okay. Unfortunate. Not going to cry about it. But I actually just made most of it back. I lost $1,035 on the account. This is a fresh eval with Lucid. And here's Asia session. Reason I got in this trade is because we had created well, first of all, we were obviously in a downtrend from right here. Uh, let's go ahead and mark out that level. So going into the PM session, we were trending down. We formed this fair value gap right here, and we actually rejected. And once we rejected, I saw this line, this level of liquidity right here, and I just pretty much went for it. I was targeting that as soon as we got out. I mean, as soon as we rejected the fair value gap right there, I went ahead and entered my position for a one or two risk to reward. And then we had this other fair value gap that we traded into. I was waiting on the inversion of that. Okay. So when we inversed this fair value gap, I knew that we also had this line of liquidity right here, that, price was going to be seeking, and we inversed that gap, and I went in heavy. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to make my money back. So I went in heavy, and once I got to a reasonable amount, I went ahead and closed the position, which you'll see right here. Thank God I did, because my stop loss was right there. And as soon as I got out of this trade, by the grace of God, it reversed. It swept this high right here, which I would have been down bad. I would have probably blown my account if I would have held this trade to the end. You know what I mean? I would have lost. If it would have taken me out at there, this account would be gone. But luckily, I used my intuition and I wasn't being greedy. I won $942 with those two trades. Yeah, $942.50. I'm down $83, give or take on the account now. And I'm going to wait for New York tomorrow to see if I can have any setups play out. Now, I'm grateful. I'm not going to overtrade. As you see, I only took 2 trades. I took 2 losing trades this morning, and I just took 2 winning trades tonight. So I'm done. Even though I'm pretty sure price is heading towards this sell side liquidity, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to get back into the market. I'm taking my win and I'm walking away. If I don't see a setup tomorrow, I'm not trading. I'm so serious. I can't keep blowing these accounts, guys. It's getting ridiculous. It's becoming a addiction. I'm like buying accounts left and right, and I'm not seeing a return. I've gotten one payout before back in March, and it's about time for another payout. I'm going for a $2,000 payout with Lucid, and then I'm going to scale my accounts. But I have to be super selective, super patient, and use proper risk management. Those are my problems. Those are the things that I'm having trouble with. But I also want to see which market or session works the best for me. I liked trading Asia tonight. Price action has made, somewhat of a move, and it's not as volatile. You know what I mean? I'm able to read the market a little bit more comfortably, since I am not rushing to place a trade because I'm working during the day. It was a little bit more relaxing and comforting for me to execute this trade or these 2 trades instead of just trying to rush into the markets. But yeah, I just wanted to give you that update. Slowly but surely inching my way back into profitability on the account. I'm only down $83. We'll see how tomorrow turns out. Okay. Just wanted to shoot that for you guys, and show you the actual trades that I executed on. And yeah, hopefully everything works out in the morning and every day after that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the other side. Like, subscribe, and happy trading. Take care.